Look at all this rain on a Sunday. My last day and it had the fucking rain. This is my daddy whip. Ow. I don't know. I can't drive it on this side. See, everybody's at church right now. If you can see, my dad is standing over there in the blue. He's not really a church man, but he do believe in God. I'm just waiting for my mom to come out the damn... excuse me. Oh, that's the thunder. Here. Excuse my language. My father's getting impatient, so he goes inside the church. Look how much rain is pouring. And I got my hair wet. I'm tight. I can't even go to the beach. I'm tight. It looks like a tropical rain slide here. Look at this lady. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. She got a boat. She got a booty though. She got a booty. She got a booty. Look at that booty. Stop. Rain, rain, go away. This is bad. You talking about New York? Look at this shit. This is floods. Serious flood.